My health and wellness question is, does having a part-time job affect academic success for college students? I've heard from a family member a while ago that having a part-time job will have a negative effect on your academic success in college. This logically makes sense because there's less time for schoolwork and all your studying, but this cannot be taken as a reliable source because he didn't have any evidence to back up his statement. All he said was just a statement with no evidence. This question is very relevant for me and everyone else in this class because we're all college students and we all want to succeed academically, but a job also looks good on applications and it also allows you to have some extra money to spend or pay for college. This is my APA reference. The article is a reliable source of information. This is because they use empirical research, which is 379 college students. It is also published in 2022, so it's only 2 years old, so it's pretty new information. In the introduction, the author talks about how more college students are starting to get part-time jobs. He said there's many reasons to this, but he said the main reason is because of COVID and families need another source of income. He had 3 research objectives going into this study. The first one's to find out how many students had part-time jobs during college. Second, to determine how many hours the students were working during college. And third, to see if there's a correlation between working status and the current GPA of the students. In this study, the author used 379 college students from the northern region of Malaysia and then used a simple random sample to determine the final 30 students he would ask the questions to. He grouped the students into 5 groups. Based on how they answered the questions, he took their GPA and did a chi-square test to see if there's a relationship between the working status of the students and their GPA. After they conducted their chi-square test, their results showed that there's no linkage between a student having a job and their GPA. They suggest that them and other researchers should do this test multiple more times and change the variables to get a more definitive answer. I chose this topic because I am currently looking for a job and want to know if me getting a job will affect my academic success. And other people should care about this research too, because as the article says, getting a part-time job during college is getting more and more popular.